All right. Today we went to the spot called Dunn Rite Cafe, located in Decatur, Texas. This is a kind of quick grab and run kind of situation. The weather turned to a whole different direction, so we went and scooped something up. Here it is, right here. I got the what is this? Mom's pot roast, grandmom's pot roast. Comes with mashed potatoes. It comes with some vegetables, and of course the pot roast. They give this little gravy to work with, which I don't normally put gravy on my mashed potatoes, but why not? We something different at this time. The gravy is nice and thick. See the pour? Mm. This had a high rating up on Google. We was in the middle of trying to find somewhere to eat, and then it got real dark outside. So that meant time to go. Here's a pot roast dipped in this gravy. So I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about this restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. That means I keep it 100. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Wifey got the bone-in pork chop meal. What side you get? She got the same thing, mashed potatoes and gravy. Let's eat. Mm, nice flavors. Oh, okay. Nice and tender. See how this gravy go on it. Mm, gravy tastes pretty good. And I'm not really a gravy eater. I learned to come out my box a little bit. Mm. Got a little lumpiness to the potatoes. I love that. Mm. Nice flavors. Take some garlic up in the mix. Mm. Check these green beans out. Mm. Telling you, they definitely do food different up here. Oh man, they definitely deserve the name. Done right. I feel like we're having Sunday dinner from back in the day. Mm. I'm gonna mess around and say I hate this whole thing. And I'm not going to do it. I'm getting blown away about by the food situation we came across down here. Only one place that didn't wow me and woo me. And that was the Bucky's we went to. Stuff was okay, but it wasn't nothing to write home to. Nothing to write home about. It was all right. But the past few places, I think this is, let's see, we went to Whataburger. We went to a Mexican barbecue restaurant yesterday. So this is the third thing we had here that blew me away. All right, y'all. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 9.5 out of 10. Very amazing. Like I said, it reminds me of eating grandmom's dinner on Sundays. That was the breakdown for the breakdown of Dunn Rite Cafe, located in Decatur, Texas. Got one more full day here, and then we back on the road, baby. Headed to Jersey. Will I do a review there on the way back? You never know. We're going to some other towns I've never been to before, so why not? We shall see. All right, y'all. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Remember, every day you get to open your eyes up, you get to take that breath. It's a gift from God, baby. You will see me very soon again on my next review. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share me out with everybody you know. If you want to become a full-fledged member, hit that join button, and you're in the loop of all the exclusives that my channel entitles now. The super fans, the having the first look at the videos, exclusive live chat with me, one-on-one, all that other stuff. You can even, if you feel like you want to, you can even get like one of those special stickers or something like that. It's all on you though. No pressure. All right, y'all. Eat more, food connoisseur. I'm out, baby.